Sri Lankan frogmouth or Ceylon frogmouth, Batrachostomus moniliger, is a small frogmouth found in the Western Ghats of South India and Sri Lanka. Related to the nightjars, it is nocturnal and is found in forest habitats. This species is found in the Western Ghats of southwest India and Sri Lanka. Its habitat is tropical forest, usually with dense undergrowth. The plumage coloration resembles that of dried leaves, and the bird roosts quietly on branches, making it difficult to see. Each has a favorite roost that it uses regularly unless disturbed. It has a distinctive call that is usually heard at dawn and dusk. This frogmouth is rarely seen during the day except at roost sites or when flushed. It regularly uses the same roost spot for months. The bird incubates a single white egg. The male often broods during the day, while both parents share the duty during the night. The juvenile may stay with the parents for a couple of months, huddling between them at the roost. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment. Share to your friends and family. Follow Wild India Travels in Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn.